Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In previous lecture we learned about increment command and now we will learn about decrement command in Fatek PLC. So without waste any time, let's start. Only have a small request. If you are a beginner, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Because of you will be never miss upcoming video of Parveen Automations. Open the WinProLadder software and simply first of all, we will delete the old program, stop the PLC and Control A and hit the delete button. That old program will be completely delete. And simply go to the function block and you will choose it here, decrement command. Can be right here DEC after you can got the decrement command. Otherwise, if you no need to can't find from can't remind in this INC, you can simply click it here and go back to the basics and scroll down and simply you will be find it here -1. +1 means increment command and plus minus means decrement command. Click it OK and give it any data register name. For example, I will give the D0 and click it OK. See now what we have to do. First of all, give it here any bit. For example, from the field I will give the X0. This is the signal from my coming from conveyor or whatever which is related to your program. But this X0 will be giving the high signals continuously, means fast signals giving. But if you give that with the TU contact or TD contact, after this will be one signal can be count. I will give the rising edge here, but not rising edge. I will use the TU contact. Click it OK and make it download to the PLC or run the PLC simply. In this WinProLadder software, not coming the word it here look like other softwares download program or upload program. Here is coming only run PLC or stop PLC. When you make it the run PLC, it will be highlighted that at the vertical line will be indicates a red color. If you stop the PLC, it will be goes to black. In run PLC and simply give the signal it here. See, I will make it on, off, on, off. As I give one signal, it counts the -1. And again when you give the signal, it will be -2. As you give the signal again, it will be -3. That's simply, for example, when you counting some bottles or look like, both commands I will use it here. After you can easily understand. See, here I choose one more command, increment, and here I will take this decrement command. That D1 I will use for increment command and D0 I will use for increment command. And this is also I can took it also from here. If you make it this one couple here and this area you will be make delete and simply from this X0 you can give the to the both signals. Go to the PLC, run and see as you giving signal on, off, wait it on. See, here is 5 coming, here is -4 coming. Again off, again on, here 6 coming, here -5 coming. Or for example, if you give the complete here D0, make it 0 first, okay, and also at the D1 you can give the 0. Now you will see, as I give the signal on, see here is a 1 plus minus coming and here is a 1 minus going. Here is a, you can make again on, again off. See here 2, side 2, here 3, also here 3. And also when you using in the program this increment and decrement command, decrement command how works. See for example, here we will use that equal or greater than command, go to the and compares and equal with make, and here I say D0 when equal with 5, equal with -5, I need my Y0 to turn on, and here I will make one more command, one more for command equal my D1 is equal with 5, I need to turn on Y1, and this is download to the PLC. And see, now Y0 also not have on and Y1 also not have on, because of we defined here -5 and here we defined as +5. See, when I give the signal again, make it off, make it on, that 4, 1 is remaining off, and as I gives the signal plus, here is -5 and here is +5. This Y0 is equal with +5 and Y0 is equal with -5. As it's coming another signal, the both are will be closed. Otherwise, if you like to change this value, also you can change. For example, this I value I give 7 for example, it will be changed at his set value. See, when I give the one more signal 7, now your Y1 is on, and as it make one more signal, it will be stopped, because of we defined the signal Y1 equal with 7, and that Y0 we defined as a -5, and also this also you like to change it, I will put it -9 for example, -9, and when I give the more signal of on, see when it's reached with -9, our Y0 will be on. This data simply you can took and go to the HMI, and there you can make set points. For example, you one conveyor is running and you will make one sensor when 9 bottles go out of the conveyor, and this is -1 is completed, one is second complete, third, fourth, 5, 6. As you make for 9 or 10 or 15, which is up to your program demand, which you make the set point. After that, when set point completed, after your conveyor will be stopped, or you can put any here some other function, pneumatic valves or whatever, yani it's depend on any program. And simply this function have to be understand, increment command have what function and decrement command have what function. Increment command, when your data will be increased, yani 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 continuously, and decrement command What's function? When your data goes to be down, yani 1 1 will be minus from your complete set point. So I hope you complete understand about this increment command and decrement command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you the feedback as soon as possible.